Hi, and welcome to this Tempus University training video of requesting resources in Tempus Resource. I'm your host, Beth Rosepal, Implementation Consultant at ProSymmetry. Resource requests are the ability to send requests for resources, whether they be named or role-based, to be added to projects for a set number of hours or FTE. The functionality includes the ability to automatically send a request when a resource is allocated to a project, using Scribe to communicate about resource requests on a project, or alerting a resource manager assigned to that resource. To start, we'll head to the home screen of Tempus Resource. From there, we'll select Project Management and we'll click into a project. Now, like adding allocations to a project, we'll simply need to check out the project itself. And then at the bottom, we'll type in the resource that we want to add to this project. I'm going to say Caroline needs to be added to the project. I'm going to say for the last few months of the project, I need her for about 30 hours. So we'll go ahead and put those in. We'll save and check that in. Once we've done that, we'll then see a little clock icon appear next to Caroline's name. This means that I've now requested Caroline to be on my project, and that request has automatically gone to her resource manager, which in this case is Larry Walsh. Within the project itself, there is the option to select the resource requests from the drop-down menu to see the status of any requests on this project. So we can see that Caroline was requested for 150 hours on this specific project, the day and time, the resource name, and the current status. If you had a question or simply needed to alert or remind the resource manager to go in and potentially approve or decision that request itself, you can use Scribe by clicking this little text icon up at the top. Once selected, I can then go ahead and mention that specific resource manager. So in this case, I'm going to mention Larry Walsh because he is the resource manager of Caroline, and just ask, please review my request as soon as possible. Once done, I can go ahead and send that message. It'll then note that that is part of the resource requests section of this particular project, and Larry would then be notified via the system that he has a request to review. The requests would then be available for him to decision within his own resource requests section. He would get a similar notification like I have on my home screen. This concludes the demo of submitting a resource request on a project and utilizing Scribe to communicate with the resource manager. For further questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to reach out to your customer success manager or implementation consultant. Thanks for watching.